Welcome back to my YEEZY Ash Pearl 350s and Georgetown 3 live comp. So for the YEEZY 350 Ash Pearls, I only focus on YEEZY supplies since there's really no cancellation. I ran about 15 to 20 copies of Dashe, 1 copy of Phantom, 2 copies of Wrath, 1 copy of Valor, and 6 copies of Ganesh. The bots that went off for me this release was Wrath, Ganesh, and Valor. I was really surprised on how well Valor did. Dashe, did really well too. For the Georgetown, this is my first time running Kylan. I picked up Kylan a couple weeks ago and I haven't actually used it on a real release. The main reason I picked up Kylan was to run for foot sites with gift cards. Kylan has been destroying releases and restocks recently, so I knew I wouldn't be too disappointed when I actually started to run Kylan on an actual release.